How to reset for indicator of oil replacement for MFS 40 50/60ths A. Reset procedure. 1. Turn key on. 2. Pull off the safety lanyard within 1 second after beep sound finished. 3. Wait 7 seconds. 4. Pull the red knob on the safety switch and release immediately. 5. Wait 7 seconds. 6. Pull the red knob on the safety switch and release immediately. 7. Confirm 3 beeps that tells reset was completed successfully. Let's start the reset of oil replacement indication. Pull off the safety lanyard within 1 second after beep sound finished. Pull the red knob 0.5 seconds. Pull the red knob 0.5 seconds. The 3 beeps inform you that reset was finished successfully. 2 important points for reset procedure. 1. Timing of pulling the safety lanyard off. It should be within 1 second after the beep sound finished. 2. Timing of pulling the red knob on the safety switch. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, pull the red knob on the safety switch and release. Recommended wait time is 7 seconds by using watch. You got it? Be sure to replace the engine oil when this indicator is on and reset the indication.